So, when I sign up to license for
That's how we have to go, brother. Remember, say we are businessman now, you know.
I agree. So, how vicious now?
Them interview a couple people, and one person did have some negative things to say, including say my bad influence.
And you know, so the man proved that by sending the email. From the very email ourselves, we don't want him to use.
Whisper. Now tell me, say, I did 9-ish email the man use on the balaclava.
I can tell you, say, if you not come through, because I feel like a careless movements.
So, Miss Brissett, what go on for the sympathy? Because surely right now, I know say man for me.
And that's because of the dealings where you and him did inner.
Based on what I go on right now, we have to tread lightly because I'm protected.
Miss Brissett, boy, they are not saying, you know. Him list supposed to lamb him fire. I see him over a funeral of Paul with Marcus Wallace, you know.
I wanna nearly jump off, not true.
Eh.
What's it?
So, Miss Brissett, I don't have a zone over there.
You did see one? In that big open space there.
So, under the dead.
What? So, Miss Brissett, on the dead, I'm not take down the man. On the source, if I make me live right now.
Brother, I don't see if I make you live so. And you cause that. You have to accept accountability.
And you know, so it's not so easy to just get him out. You see the fact that Marcus Wallace expunged him file clean, the man have no record. So we have to tread lightly, brother. Or we have to be more strategic how we are dealing with it.
So, hold on, let me guess now. You have a legal firearm too.
Yeah?
So, all I've said it is, just as I said, once somebody has stopped we, I know him legal.
Eh. Because I'm politician link. That's why I'm not like politicians.
So, what me now? Him can come for me legally.
No, brother. I'm not say it work. That's why I tell you, say, you can't do certain things with it. Him couldn't come for you with that.
Him is just a part of the politician's head of security. Him is not a police. Him is not an agent. Which makes it safer.
And the other parties, what him can't do, he will make somebody else do it. As we said the other day.
Right now, see if I make me feel like a fugitive.
Miss Brissett, nothing can go on. So I'm have to go live right now, just locked down, sir. No protection.
A man now it is. Him protected. Just not legally. Not true.
We know it, man. And we over it. We understand so we don't want to feel protected. I don't want to be able to protect yourself. But just know say that can't brandish in a public no time. And it can't fire.
Yeah, really general, you know, brother.
Yeah,
I
man.
know what you think.
Just do the right thing, man.
Gentlemen, Siva has been a thorn in our sides for over a year now. And in time up. We devise a proper plan to take him down. And we're going to need your assistance. We're going to give you no further details. But gentlemen, this is like deputizing you off the books.
That means nobody can know say we're not going to be a part of the operation. Yeah.
Not even vicious.
In the meantime, this is a safe place. Just make sure you stay there and foot, see? Work together as a unit. For you now, make sure you say Marisa control the business. You don't pray for God on the front. And don't go back down to the studio. Well, at least until you clear up this.
And it is. Remember, say you move to the man at the funeral. So, you're there on theme list now. When you leave from your place, no more walking up and down. Make sure it's a drive you get.
Copy that, boss. Really again. Some can ask me something, so I get a badge too.
You just hear me tell you, say, we're going to deputize off the books. Not even Mr. Mullings know about this.
Well, I like the plan. But differently. Concerned about the youth to get to feel like over 20 on the board come from. For us, we see Teflon dead. I'm not harder than nobody, so. We're not about that.
I remember say Siva link with some of them boys over the saying.
Don't worry about it, man. That's a part of the plan. But we can't go in personally. Take a load up already.
Yeah, man. I wanna call the shots, man. Anything wanna say that me I work with.
In the meantime, Vicious and King out of the loop. If anything else come up, we make you know.
I understand Vicious and he made space more time. But what about Kingman?
Kingman played full. And him have something else pending. What me know him not telling about yet.
Now you just go and hold it. We telling you what is what. It is. Link ranking.
Respect. But me a agent now, you know. I'm supposed to talk to ranking about nothing. You want to know what I want.
I like your spirit, That's why we got the extra mile for now. But you might want to go link ranking. As when I talk about with King, he might want to tell you. Gentlemen, we're going to hit the road again, Just a pass through to make you know what is what. Yeah?
Yeah, Miss Bishop.
Thanks very much, Mr. Bishop. This is my new assignment. We got link ranking. My first assignment.
Big up,
Yeah.
Alright?
Alright, my general.
Yes, man.
You know, say you can be a comedian, it is.
Angry first assignment, good, see?
Yes, man. I didn't lie, me I work with you. Brother worry yourself, man. You're safe. Everything I go alright, man.
Respect for them putting a God.
I talk about Butcher and brother, you know.
Also over the funeral, and Kingman are racing. I'm say I think the man say real friendship is forged in the fire of conflict.
Mm-hmm.
Want something for drink?
Do it now. Boy, silver but no have the flip.